Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
What's up, y'all? What's good? I'm getting a lot of requests on making some more breakfast recipes, so a little razzle dazzle for your morning. Today, we making fish and grits. One of my absolute favorites, but we ain't gonna do it like Granny did back in the day. Waking up at the crack of the dawn, frying all that catfish to put on them grits. We ain't gonna do it like that. We're gonna watch them love handles. We're gonna watch that belly, and we're gonna watch that fat back, okay? We ain't gonna have no fried food this morning. We're gonna have some blackened salmon, y'all.
Oh, yeah. Today we having fish and grits. Let me get into it real quick.
All right, y'all. So here's the ingredients that I'm using today. I got some grits, of course. I got 2 salmon fillets, nice and fresh. Yes, sir. I got some cooked bacon bits that are already cooked up. I got my seasoning mix right here. I'm gonna show y'all what that is in a second. I got my onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. Let's go. I got me some shredded cheese. Ain't no grits without no cheese. I got my smoked paprika. I got my complete seasoning, onion powder, caldo de pollo. Let's go. Cajun seasoning, and some butcher block black pepper. Oh, my bad. Butcher block black pepper, y'all. That's a tongue twister. All right. That's what's in here, minus the paprika, because this is gonna be for the grits. That paprika is for that fish, so we can get a nice little color on there. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is where you're gonna have to trust me, and this gonna be for the grits. Yes, sir. I'm putting in a cup of milk and about a half a cup of water. And don't forget this. Some of this here, from the seasonings I told you.
Then we going in with 1/4 cup of grits. And y'all, the liquid to grit ratio might seem a little crazy because it's going to seem real watery at first. But once everything's settled and it cool down, they're going to be nice and creamy and just the right consistency, okay? Then you get like a tablespoon of olive oil, y'all. Get that in a skillet or whatever you got. Get that fresh salmon. Go ahead and season that up. This is the seasonings I showed y'all earlier with a little bit of smoked paprika in there just for the color, y'all. So we can darken it up a little bit. Y'all, this is going to be so good. Make sure you season generously, okay? Make sure. Because it's easy to make a salmon salty, but baby, it's almost even easier to make that motherfucker bland. Yes, sir. Go and hit up both sides of the fish. You want it well seasoned, okay? I already took the skin off mine. I do not mess with no fish skin. You can leave yours on if you want to, but I'm going to go and season both sides because I took mine off. Go ahead and get this in this skillet, y'all, with this olive oil. I'm going to say we're going to let this cook for about 7 minutes on each side, y'all. We want a real nice color, but we want it nice and done in the middle, nice and flaky. I don't like no overdone salmon or no undercooked salmon, y'all. I got to have my stuff just right. Soft, flaky, a little dark on each side. Let's go. Go ahead and add that cheese up. Yes, y'all. These gonna be some cheesy ass grits. All right. Oh, that's how. We're gonna leave all that in there for flavor, baby, because that's extra. We're gonna come in with our yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion. Come in with a little bit of flour. And make sure you cook your flour all the way through. Let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. I never even knew, but you could get sick from raw flour. It gotta be cooked, y'all. I didn't even know that. But now I do, and now you do, so make sure you cook that shit. Ooh, then come in with that half and half, y'all. This gonna add your richness. This gonna be so creamy and so damn good. And just give it a little stir, let it incorporate with that flour and get nice and thick. Baby, we finna season this, and it's finna go on top of this fish. Green onions for garnish, and I got me some bacon for garnish, y'all. Let's go. Creamy ass grits. Might as well just lay my fish just like that right there. Oh! Go ahead and come in with the cream sauce, y'all. Ooh-wee. Go ahead and come in with that cream sauce. Some bacon bits on top of there, y'all. Come in with the bacon. We're going to come on in with the green onions. Ooh-wee. Now that's some grits. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. This shit look good. Don't forget to hit that like button. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all chill with your girl. Thank y'all so much for the support. We blowing up. Let's go. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.